Rick, we've still got in my mind, a spacing issue for your pulley system that you'd like. I know you saw this in their catalog. The thing to me that is key to use that damper or not available. They're saying the distance from the face of the timing cover mounting surface on the block to the pulley mount surface on the face of the damper measures 2.144, and then spacers are available. So if we look at the block here and where your timing cover mounting surface is, our sprocket in place here, the face of the sprocket, which is what the hub of the balancer will go up against, right here, is pretty much exactly 5/8 of an inch forward of this surface. Even if we were to right now put your balancer on the crank, it's difficult to get, say, going through these holes to measure how far out that is. But since we can see that the sprocket again is 5/8 of an inch, or 625 thousandths forward of our gasket mounting surface, that would leave 2-inch 144 minus 0.625. That's about 1.5 inches. And actually it says it comes out 1.519, but we also have this is an oil deflector to keep it from blowing out your front seal. This is like 30 thousandths thick. So basically we need, if we are just setting this balancer here flat on the surface, to be basically 1.5 inches. If we measure, just stick something through there and measure it, my calipers won't even fit through there, the hole's too small. But if we measure this, measure that distance, we've got about inch 670, something like that, where from what I can see we need inch 500. I've called Eddie Motorsports, actually talked to a couple of guys there, and they don't seem to realize what I'm speaking of, because they keep saying, well, you can get spacers, and we don't need to space it out further. From what I can see, we need to suck it back in further. I called Summit, that's where I ordered this from, the ATI. Very cooperative, helpful. He looked and inspected several dampers they have, even balancers not so expensive as this, but he cannot come up with something that in fact would be shorter or more on the order of 1.5 inches. So we're kind of stuck here, not sure what to do. We also need to finish some ports on your heads, but we're not sure what headers you intend to use. So when you receive this, contact me again or call or something, we can get together on this.